Hey hipster, forget fixie bikes. Fixie knives are what's cool nowadays. And Blade headquarters sent me the Cold Steel SRK-C for review. And I'm pumped up because it's my first Cold Steel, which may be surprising to some people because I love strong, durable, everyday equipment. And Cold Steel is a leader of that. There we go. This fixed blade knife comes with this sheath and some nice nylon strap. Let's take a look at the knife. There we go. All oiled up SRK-C. First off, this is a really nice handle, really long. You got big mitts, no problem. You get your whole hand on there. You get a little bit of a guard to keep your hand from slipping up on the blade. And how long is a blade? Let me get out the tape measure. Is that like 5 inches about? So, nice blade. But of course, how well does it cut? Well, there's only one way to find out. We have a bunch of items here we're going to test it on. First, from the factory, how sharp is that edge? I'm having some trouble. A little bit of trouble getting started. How about an orange? Oh my goodness, effortlessly cut through this orange. And this isn't an orange review video, but this orange does not look juicy enough, in my opinion.
Then we could eat it.
Okay, my kids are here, they'll eat it. All right, paracord. Not bad, I had to give it a little bit of force to get through. This is some extra paracord. My son makes, what'd you make, paracord and keychains? Yeah. Yeah, he has a company make paracord items. Now there is a loop here. If you want to put on a lanyard with paracord fits right through, no problem. Do you know how to make lanyards? Yeah, he said yes. This is like that exhaust pipe heater hose that they have on your pickup truck engine. So how well does this cut through that? Now, this is a challenge for knives because of the rubber and the fabric that is fused into the rubber. And it did the job. It got through it. Did have to push on it pretty hard. So I just want to make a comparison to some other fixed blades that I have. This is cost a lot of money. Can't remember how much I paid for it. It cost a lot. It's a really thick blade. And you know what? I'm going to say that the brand new SRK-C cut through this heater hose better than my old dull bushcraft knife, right? But it's been a while since I sharpened this one, so it might be somewhat of an unfair comparison. But after using another knife to cut through this hose, I'd say this did pretty well. I mean, heater hose can be a challenge. Like I said, how about a bike tire?
For my bike.
This is from your bike, Donald?
Yeah.
All right, we got a little bit of air left.
Brian fixed it.
Brian fixed it, but now, oh my goodness, sliced right through it like nothing, right? So I'll leave it to your imagination what you're going to do with a knife like this, knowing that it can cut effortlessly through bike inner tubes, right? Not a bike tire. Who said it was a bike tire? It's a bike inner tube. This is nice and light. Definitely lighter than a big, huge bushcraft knife. Now, we're going to have to test it to see exactly how durable it is, but that's a pretty thick stock right there. Just compare it to the brothers of bushcraft. I would not call this a thin knife. Obviously, it's thinner than you know, the beefiest of bushcraft knives, but I'm pretty impressed with how thick it is and how light overall it is. Plus, we got to consider the cost.
The sheath is pretty nice.
All right, Donald thinks the sheath is nice, in his words. A knife like this, I can't remember how much I paid. It was around $200, may have even exceeded $200. This is well under $100. Do you remember how much these are selling for right now, boys? The SRK-C?
Around 40.
Yeah. So, like, I think that from what I've seen online about the SRK-C is that it's incredible value, you know? Now we're going to have to give it some more serious testing above paper, oranges, paracord, heater hose, etc. We're gonna have to really go to town on this and see how well it holds up, right? We have a sheath too. So this will be brought camping. All right. So stay tuned for the camping video because that's exactly where you're going to want a fixed blade knife. Enough of my impressions. I have my sons here. So why don't you guys pick it up, maybe chop something and tell me what you think.
Mine just cut it.
All right, yeah. What do you think of that?
Sharp.
Sharp, yeah. All right,
He
let's see if he
watched
can.
videos about it.
Oh, he has a touch. He can cut paper. All right. So disregard my paper cut test. I don't have the touch. All right, like I said, I'm a crude man. I'm a bull in a china shop. Even if I'm given a sharp knife, I cannot manage to cut paper. But Brian did. All right. So what do you think, boys? Is it everything you hoped and dreamed for in a fixed blade knife?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure that the tang goes all the way to the edge. All right. I'm wiggling the butt end. I do feel a little bit of play. So I don't know how well that will hold up, but at this price, I'm fine with that. I think that the tang, obviously, you can feel it going through the handle. Now this handle's kind of rubbery. So, and there's like this diamond pattern, this like knurled diamond pattern on the flat sides, and then on the short sides, there's like a linear pattern. But I think this grip's good. And so, like, if I would think that if my hands are wet or greasy, in fact, why don't I make them greasy now with the grease that's already on the knife? Yeah, I can still get a good grip, holding the knife in, with my whole hand, like a balled up fist. That feels good. Obviously not very big. It's not really thick knife. It doesn't swell out that much. Maybe a tiny bit of swell right here. But still, the dimensions are pretty good for a fixed blade knife. And I like knowing that my hand's not going to ride up. All right, so this point, I believe, is a drop point or maybe a clip point. So it's kind of like a Bowie knife, right? And so there's some advantages to that. The tip of the knife, the point, isn't perfectly centered, but the tip is towards the center of the knife. So for stabbing, it has that advantage, right? In the tip itself, very sharp, right? Really, really fine tip. It's a good tip there. Take a close look at the factory sharpening. All right, a lot of straight lines there. So made in Taiwan, SRK-C. Now, how about a wife's honest opinion? Let's see what Denise thinks. Now, my wife loves knives. She carries the Benchmade Showdown, right? Is that what it's called?
It's a Benchmade. I don't know what it's called.
It's an out the front. What do you think?
It's good. It took a little bit of strength to get through.
Boys, go get some lunch meat. Bring it in here. While you're testing it
chop
out,
this?
maybe we could start. Oh, yeah. Leave it to Denise to think about chopping.
Just have to show it who's boss.
Look at that. Oh, these boys made this cutting board. The SRK left a hole there. So we're going to find more things to test the SRK-C on. If you were interested in buying it, check out the link below. Like I said, I'm a BladeHQ affiliate, so I got them links. They were giving this one out if you ordered a certain amount of merchandise from Blade headquarters. They would throw this one in as a complimentary gift. That deal, I believe, right now is over, but keep your eye out because they often have deals like that. And if I see any deals along those lines, I'll let you guys know and give you the links. But I think that this would be a good gift for Christmas if you're thinking about it, just because of the amount of value that this offers. That from what I've seen on YouTube about the SRK-C, a lot of knife guys appreciate what you get for this price. Like I said, well under $100, all right? And a really cool gift to get, for a young man who's responsible enough to, own a fixed blade. Very useful to have a fixed blade. And in some ways, it's a lot safer than a folding knife because you don't have to worry about a folding locking mechanism fail. And So obviously every knife is dangerous. You have to use a lot of knife safety, but for a young man, great gift. I mean, I don't know if I could surprise my sons with this one now as a gift because they're here testing it with me. Guys, do you think you could forget about having seen this knife and maybe act surprised if this was under the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, hopefully the Grinch doesn't break in and steal it because I would.
Use it.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
just take the sheath off. When he steals it and opens it, he'll stab himself.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean,
You chop down the Christmas tree with it.
yeah. If the Grinch got a hold of this, he'd be chopping down a lot of Christmas trees. SRK-C from Cold Steel. Lots of videos about it online, including a bunch from Cold Steel. They have a really cool YouTube channel. For years, they've made really cool YouTube videos about all the weapons and stuff they sell. I buy Cold Steel from Blade Headquarters. Blade Headquarters actually sent me this. So Blade Headquarters sells Cold Steel knives. So check out their selection there. Check out my link below if you're interested in the Cold Steel SRK-C and get one for yourself.